In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your ping lower in Stumble Guys. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are using a phone or if you are on computer, doesn't matter. So, the first step is to check the ping of your internet connection, okay? To see if the problem is on your internet or on Stumble Guys. So come on your navigator and type check ping. You will see several websites and you need to use a website to see the internet ping, okay? Your internet ping. So if the ping of your internet is high, you need to make something to fix that. Turn off and turn on again your mode and something like that. But if the problem is on Stumble Guys, you need to close all apps, okay? And you need to check if you are downloading anything on your internet. So for example, if you are downloading a game on Steam or your family is seeing a movie on Netflix, the ping will be high, okay? So you need to check these things and close all these applications. After doing that, you log again on your Stumble Guys, and if you did all things that I said to you, your ping will be lower, okay? I hope I helped you on how to make your ping lower in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.